going to test your glow plugs in a 1981 to 85 Mercedes Diesel. So if you're having trouble starting it, it could be the glow plugs. So what we're going to do first is you're going to take jumper cables and you're going to connect the positive end, the red end, to the positive end of the battery. And then right here, this is the glow plug box right here. So we're going to open this up, and as you can see, a little closer, there's a fuse here. So the fuse could be broken. In this case, it's not. But what we're going to do, this is the way we're going to test it. We're going to unplug this, and right here, this is your, I don't know, glow plug harness or whatever. But they're numbered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and these correspond to the 5 glow plugs in there, going front to back, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to take the other end of the jumper cables, and we're going to, so come on close here, we're going to just tap it, and if you get a spark, you see the spark, that means it's a good glow plug. So 1 is good, 2 is good, 3 is not good, 4 is not good, and 5 is good. So you can use a probably a nail. I got an awl here, but a nail would probably also work. So, and that's it. So now I know that my glow plug number 3 and number 4 are bad, and I need to replace them. So that's a simple way to check them. All right. Thank you.